Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be covering a layer 1 project that a lot of people have been hyping up recently. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. None of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So the project I will be covering today is called Kaspa. The ticker is KAS. I first talked about Kaspa about a month ago, and it was sitting at a price point of just over 2 cents. It is currently trading at just over 1 cent. Kaspa currently has a market cap of 250 million, a max supply of 28.7 billion, a circulating supply of 18.6 billion. That's about 65% in circulation. Typically, when I'm looking for a project, I look for a project that's over 50% in circulation. So essentially, Kaspa aims to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, similar to what Bitcoin was supposed to be. However, the problem with Bitcoin is it's treated like digital gold, and nobody wants to actually get rid of their Bitcoin. Everyone just wants to hold on to it. And with the history of money, it has been proven that silver has traditionally worked as a better currency than gold because gold is a lot less abundant. So with a lot more silver in circulation, it's a lot easier to use it as an actual form of money. And yes, I know some of you guys are going to say Litecoin also tried to do the same thing. I think Kaspa has way better technology and way more going for it than Litecoin. So Kaspa essentially runs on proof of work, but it implements the Ghost DAG protocol. So most layer ones you see nowadays run on proof of stake. Cardano, Ethereum now, Solana, a lot of these projects run on proof of stake, which by nature, proof of stake is going to become more centralized. Personally, I'm a fan of proof of work projects. I think proof of work is going to be a big part of the future if they can actually find a way to scale. There's been the age-old blockchain trilemma of decentralization, security, and scalability. If Kaspa can actually solve that, which they claim to be able to do so, then I don't see any reason that a proof of work block DAG cannot become one of the top layer ones in the space. Another reason I'm very bullish on Kaspa is because of what this says right here. So Yonatan's 2013 paper on the Ghost DAG protocol is cited in Ethereum's white paper. Ethereum, the number 2 largest cryptocurrency. And right now, Kaspa is ranked 220 among all cryptocurrencies. So the fact that the number 2 largest cryptocurrency has Kaspa in its white paper, I think that's huge. So the last time I talked about Kaspa, it was only on Gate.io, MEXC, and I was talking about potential listings. Since then, it has gotten listed on KuCoin, which is very big for Kaspa. Now, imagine if other massive centralized exchanges list it. It's not even on Binance or Coinbase right now, and it still has a market cap of $250 million. Kadena right now has a market cap of like 170 million, and it's listed on Binance. To an extent, Kadena is a direct competitor to Kaspa. They're both layer 1 proof of works that are supposed to be extremely fast and extremely secure while maintaining decentralization. So Kaspa's all-time high was just over 4 cents, and it is currently down 67%. That all-time high was 2 months ago. Most coins have not had their all-time high since November of 2021. Kaspa had it 2 months ago. That's very bullish news that a project is pumping like this in a bear market. And price action is a big reason I am talking about Kaspa today, as you will see later in this video. Kaspa is the fastest open source, decentralized, fully scalable layer 1 in the world's first block DAG, a digital ledger enabling parallel blocks and instant transaction confirmation, built on robust proof of work engine with rapid single-second block intervals. Another thing with Kaspa is that it is completely 100% ran by the community. Most projects cannot say that, and I think that also is a very unique selling point for Kaspa, that it's 100% community ran. The Kaspa hashing algorithm is K heavy hash, and it's a block time of 1 second. That is very fast compared to a lot of other layer 1s. So when you look at the Kaspa Twitter, they have about 57,000 followers. About a week ago, they were talking about the Rust development update, and the beta will be ready in about 2 to 3 weeks. That could also get some more hype surrounding Kaspa. On top of that, about 2 weeks ago, they were listed on Uphold, which is a rather large exchange. Obviously, we'd love to see Binance, Coinbase, something like that, but still, getting listed on Uphold is not bad at all. Now, as for price action, how high exactly do I think Kaspa could go next bull run? When you look at Solana right here, it's currently trading at about 8 billion in market cap. I don't believe it would be outrageous to assume Kaspa could reach around 8 to 10 billion market cap. Some people would say it could reach significantly higher. I don't necessarily believe it will go that much higher, especially without smart contracts and other things that need to be implemented first, but I think 8 billion is rather reasonable. So if you go to market cap of and you put Kaspa in and then you put Solana in, theoretically, if Kaspa were to reach the market cap of Solana right now at just under $8 billion, it would be about a 32x, and Kaspa would be sitting over 44 cents. Again, Kaspa has a lot of work that still needs to get done, but the potential is unlimited for Kaspa, especially if it actually gets its opportunity to be the leading #1 proof of work scalable blockchain. Now for the final part of this video, I'll get into a little bit of technical analysis. So when you look at Kaspa on the daily time frame, as you can see, the stochastics are completely oversold and the RSI is completely oversold. And now if you pull a Fibonacci, whether you pull it from this move up right here or from the actual bottom, it does not matter. However you look at it, Kaspa is still trading significantly beneath the golden pocket, which traditionally is another very good accumulation zone. There has been major support and resistance at this level in the past. Now, could it go beneath that? Absolutely. Anything is possible. However, I want to point out something else. The RSI makes a higher low down to a lower low. Price action makes a lower low up to a higher low. That is Class A bullish divergence. That is another huge indicator that there is typically going to be a reversal. On top of that, when you look at the actual pattern, Kaspa is in a little bit of a falling wedge right now. Falling wedges break up 68% of the time. Obviously, nothing is guaranteed in crypto. Everything has its risk. However, with the Class A bullish divergence and the falling wedge and the reset stochastics, the reset RSI, there are a lot of very bullish indicators right now that Kaspa is about to make a huge move. None of this is financial advice though, but personally, I will be looking to accumulate Kaspa. Now, again, you guys need to keep in mind, everything right now is correlated to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin rises, there's a good chance Kaspa will rise. If Bitcoin falls, there's a good chance Kaspa will fall. So keep that in mind while you are investing. But let me know down in the comments, how do you guys feel about Kaspa? Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Thank you guys for watching.
I'm hitting the ground running, up and coming, ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something, I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand, and a full plan, I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man, every single drop got me feeling awesome.